come to a creative and you like the agency, you like who you're working with, give them the free realm to explore, have fun, and you're gonna get a great product at the end of the day. And that's what iHeart's allowing us to do. And I think every year we're getting a lot of great feedback from it, and that's why we keep coming back.
Ready for this?
For iHeart Music Festival 2025. We're waiting for our trucks to get unloaded. Once they get unloaded, we're gonna go start setting up.
Ready? You got the bar?
I got this. Walkie-talkies work pretty well.
Yeah. I mean, we got you in the elevator.
We learned last year and the years before that cell phones are not the fastest and efficient way to get a hold of somebody on site. So this year, we made sure we brought our walkie-talkies with us. Adding some tin to the wires so the strands don't come apart. This allows me to make sure everything works properly on site, and I can customize it anyway and extend it as long as I need it to be. This is the VIP bar where they'll be getting their drinks during the show. But once we get this set up, we're gonna go right outside and set up the main feature.
So we did a VIP lounge, which
80% done.
80% done.
Still got wire LEDs.
Some LEDs. Now we're unloading these two trucks, which is House of Music on it. We're in the process of doing that. We're bringing it over, and then their crew is going to start building on it.
We're going to start on this side right here, because that's our mark right there. Then we can work our way down, and then build all that. I need another 3-foot section. It's the orange one that's over there. We can open all the orange walls, and it's going to be on this side here. Hey man, I need you to go on this one.
About to head over to Aria and stack some poker chips. No, not at the casino. We're doing it at the Villa Lounge. About to go over there and get it done.
Godspeed.
I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Honestly, we love working with iHeart. They're amazing to work with. They always give us flexibility on designs, and they also want to innovate, so it allows us to have fun with some of the designs too. This is the main VIP booth on the outside. It's called the House of Music. This entire area in front of the arena is open to public, so they're just showcasing basically the iHeart brand, and you see other different sponsorships around here as well.
We're pretty much done. 90% there. We hung up those 3, and we have to hang up 3 more over here, all going vertical, and we have to hang up 3 more over at the entrance.
Last
setup, that's right.
And then we got to come back and remove it in 3 hours.
We are here for the iHeartRadio Music Festival welcome party, setting up. We have been working together probably for the last
3 years.
3 years.
3 years. Yeah.
3 years, it's been a wild ride.